Hi there, welcome to the new series. Ride to Ladakh is on the Independence Day. So happy Independence Day to all of you, my fellow Indian brothers and sisters out there. Takes me immense joy and pleasure, and it's a great honor as well starting this ride, a special ride very close to my heart on the Independence Day. I like to call it the freedom ride. That's what motorcycling is all about, experiencing true freedom, getting away from all the cares and worries that this world has on offer, and getting lost in Mother Nature. And let motorcycling work as a therapy to heal you inside out. So, suited up, TVS gear, you have TVS Performance Gear jacket, then you have the TVS Motosoul bag. I have all the laptop and other stuff there, lighter stuff there, heavier stuff here. So let's go down, let's start the mean machine. The woman in red is looking absolutely awesome. I love the RR310 when I rode it to Kanyakumari. If you haven't watched it, watch my Ride to Kanyakumari series. You love every episode of it. And this time it's the red attire Apache RR310 that I'm riding all the way to Ladakh. It's not going to be easy, but it's going to be a whole lot of fun. So buckle up for one amazing ride. So here are all the mean machines. Here is my Baytona MT15 a friend has borrowed for now. N-Torque is here, and here is the red machine, the RR310. Let's wake her up. Wow, this graphic looks awesome. This is the track mode, and let's fire her up. So guys, suited up and going to the starting point, which is Decathlon parking lot at Suchitra. Already biker brothers are there waiting for me. Ye mana style appa. Siddhappa various level appa asalu. But anyway, red helmet, red bike के साथ Dina bike करेंगे दिल खोल के dance और lot of fun, lot of action coming up. So without wasting any more time, buckle up. Let's hit the road. First of all, happy Independence Day! That's awesome. Such an honor to start this ride to Ladakh on an Independence Day. It all kind of underscores the kind of everyone celebrates the heroes of our nation on this day, and this is just a small kind of least that we can do. Go to the place and thank them personally, right?
Exactly.
So let's go there and thank them and salute their efforts and bravery for watching our backs and saving us on every second basis with their lives. So we're grateful to you, soldiers of our nation, and I'm coming straight to you to thank you and to salute all your efforts. So dual vlogs for dual channels. ఇందాక ఇంగ్లీష్ ది సెషన్ అయిపోయింది, ఇప్పుడు తెలుగులో. But anyway, we're all here celebrating the spirit of independence, true spirit of our nation. We're all Indians first and everything else comes next. అంతే కదా. విక్కీకి ఏ ఫోటో తీయాలో అర్థమైతలేదు, ఎందుకంటే బండి లైనప్ ఒక రేంజ్లో వచ్చింది. బూసా రివ్యూ చూసారు కదా, ఆ బూసా ఓనర్ కూడా ఉన్నారు, గగన్ భాయ్, పవన్, వీళ్ళందరూ మనకి పాత దోస్తులే. పవన్ భాయ్, destiny has it that we are supposed to meet.
I was supposed to give you a come to Decathlon for the flag off.
Maine.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
All the best.
All the best, bro.
For the late
All the best.
You are late to start.
No, I'm just waiting for the other guy actually. I was the first to get ready. Hi.
No, bhai.
Hi. Thank you so much. हाँ. कोई मेंटेनेंस नहीं, जीरो मेंटेनेंस.
ऊपर का तो
वही तो बोल रहा हूँ. వచ్చాడు KGF పార్ట్ 2 వచ్చాడు, పార్ట్ 3 వచ్చాడు యాక్చువల్గా. సో ఎనీవే, థ్యాంక్స్ కిరణ్.
welcome.
అన్నతో పాటు వస్తున్నందుకు అండ్ అసలు
the best, engineer with you all throughout the ride.
that was the plan actually all along. So guys, thanks for coming.
Ride safe.
All set to
इधर से आप इधर से टाइम లో
వెళ్ళిపోతాం.
max 10 minutes.
నెక్స్ట్ స్టెచ్ కొంచెం నాగ్పూర్ నుంచి ఆగా
సేఫ్ అన్న,
రైట్ రా
సేఫ్ గా వెళ్ళండి.
రైట్ రా.
గుడ్ మెమరీస్.
థ్యాంక్ యూ. అవి బాయ్ నాన్న. ఇంట్లో పెట్టాలా? ఓకేనా, లెట్స్ గో.
అదే సేఫ్ చేయండి.
రైట్ నాన్న.
Right side.
బాయ్ రా. రైట్ రా కిరణ్, పద. Hi guys, stopped at this mesmerizing place. Here is the pleasant and simple looking Kiran, and the place is absolutely out of this world. Hyderabad to Nagpur highway is like pure heaven, riders heaven. Look at the tarmac, look at this road. Oh my god, it's the same way for 500 kilometers and we are halfway through. Half more to enjoy. Rest of the half more way to enjoy, and can't believe the way we have started this on a very good note. Weather is perfect and couldn't have asked for a better weather situation for us to start this on a positive note. And we are coming, Ladakh, here we come. So guys, the first day is turning out to be really dramatic. The first 400 kilometers were pure heaven on earth, like biker's paradise with amazing roads, the best roads I've ever ridden on. And then the last 150 kilometers were the worst, most dangerous roads ever. I'll tell you why in the next scene, where once I reach the hotel. But now it's already started raining, and the raincoat is out, and so is the rain cover for the touring bag, because my laptop is in there and other electronic instruments are there. So let's hope everything reaches safely to the hotel, and then we'll continue this vlog.
so what happened today was really, really amazing. A lot of people turned out to wish me luck, so that means a lot from Hyderabad. So almost all the biking groups, my old friends, people who are like family to me, biker brothers, very close friends, everyone turned up. So that made me feel really good, and that was needed to give me that boost and confidence to finish this successfully and return back home. And yes, family time is being sacrificed, but then I have to make up to them and once I get back. But day one has been kind of mixed bag, I would say. First thing is, yeah, Kiran is asleep. Both of us didn't get adequate sleep last night because I was editing almost late into the night. It was almost 2 a.m. by the time I uploaded the English Pan America review, and then I tried to sleep to the best of my ability at 2:30 a.m. But I again woke up 4:30. Again tried to you know wake up Kiran, my riding partner for this Ladakh ride. Very knowledgeable person, technical expert. So happy that he tagged along with me. So he is an asset, you can say. And first, now riding from Hyderabad to Nagpur, how was it? First 350 kilometers are pure heaven on earth. I mean, biker's paradise. If you want to enjoy your sports motorcycle or any motorcycle for that matter, these are the roads to do it. I even saw a Daytona and a Hayabusa, the new Hayabusa, enjoying kind of their honeymoon on this road. But now this is a huge and a very bothersome but now the reason I'm telling you is the next 150 kilometers that you're going to face to enter Nagpur is pure hell. As the first 350 is pure heaven, this is pure hell and an absolute nightmare for every biker because it can spell doom. It can be fatal. Yes, that's what I like to say, because what is more dangerous than a pothole that's visible 1 kilometer away, or a pothole that just appears out of nowhere, which gives you zero reaction time. Now this is what makes this road so dangerous, because once you get used to that kind of 350 kilometers of pure paradise, biker's paradise, then you expect the rest of the road to be that way. But the last 150 kilometers are so deadly that you have like landmines, hidden landmines. It's like a death trap, kind of beckoning you or kind of daring you to come out of it alive, because you never know a pothole which is visible just 1 meter away, not 1 kilometer away. 1 kilometer away, you have reaction time to slow down, to react, to avoid the pothole. But if you just see it out of nowhere, and if it is a major one, it's a big one. Now these potholes are not just small ones that you can ride over them, but these are very, very proper undulations that can bend the wheel rims, that can crack the fork seals, and can even spell doom to riders who can lose control and crash. So that is the last thing we want to see. So that is one thing that really bothered me. The weather changed, it started pouring, so fortunately we could find a hotel just on time. I can edit the video. I'm editing the video right now. The English vlog is done, Telugu vlog will be done. Tomorrow is day 2. We are headed to Jhansi, trying to move beyond that. And Paji also wants to meet me once we're in Delhi, and then we're going to figure out how to go about it, whether to continue on, because Paji has already done the Ladakh part. So whether to go Ladakh first and then Spiti, or whether to go with Spiti and then into Ladakh. Lot of things to decide, lot of action to unfold. So stay tuned for all the action right here at Dino's Vault. I'm ending this vlog on a high, and I'm super sleepy now, so I'm going to hit the sack. So I hope you enjoyed watching this first episode. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, take care, God bless, and ride safe, and a happy Independence Day to all of you out there.